What are we doing today? This is a sweet gum tree I'm taking down for my cousin and my aunt. He's going to help me. He's known by most of my friends as Cowboy Troy. But it's kind of a tight drop zone. Gonna have to see if my aunt can move her car. We'll see how it goes. That's today's job. All right. You got this. Come on. Oh. Grizzly bear.
Put something on there weird.
Oh, Lance, I don't know what to tell you. Kim made a mess.
Made who mad?
You made a mess.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
You
that's
must be good at that.
standard procedure. Yep. But you got Cowboy Troy on the job.
Yeah.
Cleaning it up. So you got that.
I'm gonna be busy.
Yeah.